Hey, so this is a Christmas gift for my mother and father-in-law. It's a Dell Optiplex 3050, small form factor. And right now it's got a Pentium G4 4560 in it, but I am replacing with the i5 6500 because I felt like that was just too basic of a processor. I'll probably just use it for like browsing emails and like social media, checking photos, checking on family and stuff, but for $12, I upgraded it from that G4560 that I made a video about. So I've got Corsair Vengeance. I got a really good deal on this 16 gigabyte kit. Probably won't use all that, but they've got it. 128 gigabyte NVMe M2 SSD. And this, have you ever worked with one of these? A M2 SATA adapter. This thing was extremely difficult to put together. You have to tighten that brass standoff with a screw. I found that washer and put that washer on there so that it'd be a little easier to hold on there while I get that part. You don't just tighten it though, you have to tighten that while you have your drive in there. So that thing is standing up at a 30-degree angle like that, or trying to, because there's tension on those pins in there. And so it stands that up, and you've got to line that up. You've got to push that down carefully and perfectly aligned with the screw on the other side. It's quite the endeavor. Took me about 15 minutes and got it done, but still only added another 128 gigabytes because I think that should be enough for them. 256 gigabytes. I might increase it because I've got another 256 gigabyte, so that would be 128 plus 256. Let me know in the comments, have you ever built a PC for your mother-in-law? She is a great person. I get along great with her. God bless her. But yeah, she has her master's in education right now. She doesn't have a PC, and I'm going to fix that. She already knows she's getting a computer for Christmas. So if you watch this, love you, and hope you are having a great week.